We're going. Lori's in the pool.
Lori's in the pool. I'm looking at a spider.
Swimming around.
Day one.
Day one in the pool, first time. Go, Lori.
Watch this.
Watch this. Yes, freedom.
And she can swim on her back.
Kicking her
She can do the
feet.
crawl.
Floating.
And she's going to swim on her tummy.
And I can do the swirl.
And you can
The
swirl.
swirl.
Yes.
Yeah. And you can do your crawl.
And the doggy paddle.
Doggy paddle.
Reach the edge.
Tomorrow we'll be working on tumbles.
Tumbles.
There you go.
Forward rolls in the pool.
Somersaults.
Somersaults in the pool.
Side stroke.
And she's going to dance. We'll put some music on.
Here she goes.
Wow.
Nice and straight.
Josh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Breaststroke. Breaststroke.
This is a good workout, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Her feet touch the bottom.
Yeah. What?
Your feet touch the bottom.
They do. Okay. They do over here, right?
Yeah.
That feels the goofiest.
The doggy paddle?
Yeah.
I think it's a goofy stroke anyway, but that's what we all do.
Okay, Lori, tell us how it felt.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah, it feels good. And then this is the coolest thing.
Really?
I can bike. I don't need an RCI bike.
You know, adjusting the
I
temperature.
don't need to spend
That's what I really thought.
all that money. And it's a good workout. This feels good.